Alright, y'all, so about to apply the stencil. What I normally do is try to mix it up between the detail and the flower. As you see, we're using the flower. So you want as much like texture or pattern going across a cover up. So it kind of camouflages a lot more. Mark it about right there. I try to mark it out just so you remember where you're gonna place it, because it's hard to just remember. Eyeballing. Right there. Boom. Boom. And you know it's gonna be on that collarbone, so I know it might be a little pain for you. So right there, and I want it to kind of flow to the end of the shoulder. Right there, y'all. Here we go. Moment of truth. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. I know it might not be perfect, but let's see how we can work with it. Yep. Pretty much perfect. There we go. You got it sitting in the flour. Make sure you dab it dry a little bit, because it do still be wet. And you're gonna let it, air dry a little before you actually start the tattoo, because you can wipe it straight off.
Mm-hmm.